Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I will be showing you how to add a countdown widget in Notion. So let's get started. Sign up on indify.co. Head over to indify.co and sign up. It's free. You can either input your email address or sign up with your Google account. Scroll down to Volume 2 under Explore Widgets and find the countdown option. Hover over it and click Create a Widget. Give your countdown widget a title and click Continue. Next, enter the event title, example, birthday, and select the date and time of the event. You can customize the countdown to display days, hours, minutes, and seconds based on your preference. Toggle the options on or off as needed. You can also customize the appearance of the countdown widget, such as background color, text color, and accent color. Play around with these options until you're satisfied. Once you're happy with these settings, click on the clipboard icon to copy the link to the widget. Navigate back to Notion and add an embed block by tapping /embed. Paste the copied link into the embed block and click embed. You can adjust the size of the widget by dragging the handles to make it fit your page layout better. Your countdown widget is now embedded in Notion and will automatically update as the event date approaches. That's it for this video. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!